The federal government says it is working with relevant stakeholders to bring relief to persons affected by flooding across the country. The Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Dr. Nasir Sani Gwarzo, disclosed this after a closed-door meeting with relevant agencies in Abuja. Dr. Gwarzo, who recounted the 2012 flood disaster and its resultant effect across the country, assured of effort by government to mitigate the challenge. He also reeled out statistics indicating the threat posed by the disaster.
We are very much aware of what is happening, and we are prepared to reduce the impact, and we are prepared also to make sure that those places that have not been affected yet at least get some relief. The displaced persons that have moved out of their locations is up to 254. About 1,546 persons injured. Furthermore, 44,099 houses were partially damaged, 45,249 houses totally damaged, and 76,168 hectares of farmland partially damaged.
Gwarzo further noted that all hope is not lost.
There is a problem. We are aware of it. We are facing the challenge head on, and that we are confident that something good is coming out of this. We are going to rescue the situation.
The ministry, however, is also seeking support from well-spirited Nigerians to complement the efforts of government, especially in the area giving succor to flood victims. Justina Sunday, CNN News.